It looks quite nice at the front, sort of like a...
Oh no!
Yo, what's up? Hey there guys, it's Mr. Camera here. Today I'm actually doing a unboxing video. Most of you are probably subscribed to this channel for travel videos and stuff, but actually I like to do some unboxing videos when I buy new stuff every now and then. I've got an old one from last year of me actually unboxing this camera, if you're wanting to know what sort of camera I use for these vlogs. But today I've actually got this, which is a tablet, an 8-inch tablet, which I'm pretty much going to be using for doing like readings for uni and stuff like that. And yeah, the cool thing about this tablet was that it was pretty cheap. I got it on Banggood for like less than $100 US. I think it was something like 95 or around $90 US, so that's pretty cheap. New Zealand dollars, it was 138, I think. But the reviews say it's actually pretty good and the specs look pretty nice. We can see here it's got a 1920 by 1200 IPS screen, which is pretty good. Android Oreo, which is Android 8.1, I think. And yeah, the model is a Hi8 SE. So I'll put a link to this product. By the way, this isn't a sponsorship thing, but I'll put a link to the product if you're interested in getting a cheap tablet like this one. But yeah, I'm pretty much just going to be using this for doing reading and maybe watching some movies and stuff like that. Apart from those details, the box is pretty plain. It's the brand name, Chuwi, I think is how you say it. And just says here, Chuwi Innovation and Technology, Shenzhen Co. Limited. So yeah, this is from Shenzhen. If you guys know, Shenzhen's like where they make pretty much all the electronics in China. Pretty much any phone, tablet, robot, drone will probably be made in Shenzhen. But yeah, let's open this bad boy up. So this might be awkward. I'm pretty bad at... Oh no, plastic's coming right off. That's me. Awesome. Yeah, looks like the box got a little bit dented in shipping. You can see a big dent here, but I'm sure the tablet itself will be fine. So how do you open this? Looks like... Oh, here's a little flap here. There we go, cool. And they've got one of these little like tray things that you pull out. So pull that bad boy out, and we have our first little box here. Let's take a look what's in here. Oh yeah, so we got oh yeah, that's real helpful, thanks. An EU adapter. I'm in New Zealand, so wow. Oh well, I'll just probably charge it via a USB port or something. But yeah, EU charger. Anyone in Europe want an EU charger, I can ship that to you. And a USB cord. So yeah, that'll be handy. I already have like 20 of these laying around though. Cool, yeah, that's some nice packaging. And then we can see there's like a little flap to pull out the tablet itself, so let's see what that does. And then that's pulled out this little foam thing. And yeah, here we go, here's the tablet itself. Ah, so that looks quite nice at the front, sort of like a... Oops. Try that again. It's sort of like an Apple-esque sort of packaging. Everything sort of fits nicely into there. I'm guessing this is like some sort of manual. So lift that up. And then in here we have some bits of paper. We've got a warranty card copy. Certificate of Conformity. You can see it says that. Shall we? This is a product inspection report that might be interesting to read, and a user manual. Looks like there's a lot of Chinese written there, but I'm sure they'll have some English. I never read the manuals anyway, especially for technology. Like, it's pretty intuitive, I think. You always end up like stashing those bits of paper somewhere and never use them. And yeah, then how do we do this? Do you pull it off, or? Yeah, it looks like you just slide it out. And here we have the tablet itself. So it looks pretty nice. You can see the top there, we've got some stickers on that. Yeah, so it's just saying it's got the IPS 1920 by 1200 screen with a Cortex A53 64-bit 1.3 gigahertz processor. So, you know, not the best, but it's pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and peel that plastic off. Ooh, so satisfying. Oh, yeah! And yeah, looks like there's some sort of other screen protector already on there. Probably leave that on for now, and then yeah, that's pretty much everything. So let's power this bad boy on, see if it actually turns on. Pretty nice sized tablet though. Oh look, there we go. It's turning on. Just see what it does. How long it takes to turn on and stuff like that. Yeah, sorry I don't have like a top-down camera as well, like professional unboxers, but I only do these every now and then, just if I'm actually buying something for myself. As I said, this isn't a sponsorship video or anything, but if anyone does want to sponsor me, you know, I've got 100 subscribers now, so, you know, feel free to send me some cool gadgets. I will totally do unboxing videos for you. Alright, so it's just got a start menu. Just smash, yeah, sure, we'll be United States. Pretty good touch response so far. Ah, no. We'll skip the Wi-Fi, because my Wi-Fi password is awful. It's like 20 characters long. So today is the... Oh, looks like it was produced last year, which is pretty recent. Today is actually the 28th, and the time is... Oh yeah, I'm actually wearing my work clothes today. You're probably not used to seeing that. About 6:30 p.m. So we'll come down to here. What's that, 18? No. 18. No. 8. Yes, 18:30. Okay. Next. My name. Just a bit of plastic on there. Cameron. Oh, it wants me to do a pin. I might just do this and we'll quickly skip to me using the tablet and stuff. Just show you how it responds. Alright, so we're back after setting that up, and here we have the home screen. It looks really nice. Really nice looking screen. Yeah. I mean, even if you look close, you can't really see any pixels or anything, so I'm pretty happy with that. Looks like it's just one screen there at the moment, so we can't do much swiping. Let's just open some Google Apps to see how fast it sort of responds. I still didn't connect it to the internet, so this won't actually work, but we can just sort of run between some apps. Ooh, that was slightly slow. Yeah, sort of pops up slow. Slower than my phone anyway. Maybe we can look at some photos? And we'll just quickly look at the camera. Not bad. But yeah, I don't have too much installed on here at the moment, so there's not really much I can show you. But just based on how it looks and feels so far, I'm pretty happy with that. And I actually got a case. Where did I put that thing? This came in the mail a couple of days ago. So let's whack it into its case and see how it looks. There we go. Doesn't fit very well. This is awkward. Ugh, see, this is why I'm not a professional unboxer. Hey, this is not made for this model at all, actually, because the buttons don't line up on the side here. So yeah, might have to either return that or just throw it away because it doesn't even work. Maybe you go that way. I don't know. Probably not. Oh well, that's a bit of a fail, but yeah, that's the Chuwi Hi8 SE tablet. The tablet itself works pretty well, but the case does not. Anyway, thanks for watching that one, guys. I know it's a bit different, not usually an unboxer video person, but yeah, that's my new tablet. In terms of the questions and answers, I got a few questions from you guys, which I was really happy about, and I will be posting a video answering those soon. But that is it for this one, and yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon. Catch you later.